Zero. And he revised back. He wanted to revise back. That's why this is it. He wanted to revise back. Dia ada lah, kita setidaknya pasal Michael Jackson ni. Saya pun tak tahu lah pada betul tidak malam, tetapi ada cerita ni, saya tak mahu cerita kat sini. Tetapi from the this is it itself, I see a few things dalam aku. When we talk about pengabdian, when we talk about ibadah, contohnya, when we do something, and I think these people has done very much well in terms of pengabdian ibadah itu sendiri. Okay, I give you a simple example. The concert was supposed to be done just before Christmas, betul lah? Just before Christmas. Dia start to recruit dia punya penari tu. Dia nak 15 orang je yang key penari, dan about 20-30 lagi yang ada few lagu yang ramai ambil gambar dia kan, yang ramai lah. But you know how many people that interview? Apa? Almost 20,000 orang. Macam American Idol. Macam American Idol. It's just like American Idol. They interview 20,000 orang, and most of them, the final screening was done by him himself. Okay? And when you tengok dia practice satu lagu. Okay, dia orang tak satu lagu dia practice berapa kali? Satu lagu ni to get it perfect agak berapa kali?